Hello and welcome again. Let us solve some examples from practice set 4. Let us see fourth example, which is a word problem based on the proportion. 3 persons can build the same small house in 8 days. To build the same house in 6 days, how many persons are required? So here we have to check out the proportionality first. Now, if we consider a table, look at this table, and if I put some values over here, if I take number of person as values of x and here number of days as values of y. So number of person, if there are 3% and work is completed in 8 days. So 3% here 8 days. And if next part, to build the same house in 6 days, we have to find the number of persons. So if we take these values as x1, x2 and these values as y1, y2. Now you can case here, this is the case of inverse proportion. This is case of inverse proportion, in which if one quantity increases, other decreases. So this is case of inverse proportion, and we know the case of inverse proportion that x into y, this product is constant, and we can take this now, x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. So putting up the values here, x1 is 3, y1 is 8 and x2 is, we have to find it, and y2 is 6. If you take 6 here for division, we get 3 into 8 upon 6 equals to value of x2. So 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. Therefore, you get value of x as 4. Therefore, x2 is equal to 4. Therefore, 4 person will be required to complete the house in 6 days. That's it. Let us see question number 5. Convert the following ratios into percentages. So here we are converting the ratios into the percentages. The first example is 15 as to 25. First of all उसको convert करना है फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म या रैशनल फॉर्म में 15/25. अभी इसको हमने परसेंटेज में करना है. दैट मीन योर डिनोमिनेटर प्लेस शुड बी 100. डिनोमिनेटर में 100 लाना है. सो वी हैव टू वेज, दो तरीके यहाँ से 100 लाने के लिए. एक तो 25 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, जो भी ऑब्जर्वेशन से हमें पता चलता है 25 into 4 is 100, तो 100 बन जाएगा. At the same time we multiply here also with 4, it will be 60. 15 into 4 60, that means 60 upon 100, that is 60%. या फिर एक दूसरा भी तरीका है जिसमें हम डायरेक्टली we can multiply and divide by 100. So ये भी काम कर सकता है. इन केस अगर कोई मल्टीपल, अगर 100 की मल्टीपल्स में ना, फॉर एग्जांपल ये 16, तो 16 तो 100 का मल्टीपल नहीं है. इन दैट केस यू वोंट गेट एनी मल्टीपल जो मल्टीप्लाई करने के काबिल हो. एट दैट टाइम यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय बोथ 100. सो हियर आई एम फॉलोइंग द सेम प्रोसेस. It won't get failed at any circumstances. So here 25 on the 25 and 25 4s are 100. Okay. Now denominator में खाली 100 ही रहने चाहिए. So here 1 into 100 is 100. At the numerator 15 into 4 is 60. So अभी 0 0 कैंसिल नहीं करना है because हमें डिनोमिनेटर परफेक्ट 100 चाहिए. So 60 upon 100 is 60%. तो इस तरह से 15 as to 25 इस रेशियो को हमने 60% में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. नेक्स्ट वन 47 as to 50. That means 47 upon 50. अभी इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 100 से और डिवाइड भी करेंगे. तो 100 upon 100. So 51s are 50, 52s are 100. And the denominator 1 into 100 is 100. Denominator 100 आ गया. Numerator में देखना है 47 into 2 is 94. So that means this is 94%. So here 47 as to 50 is same as 94%. Next 7 upon 10. 7 upon 10 equals to 7 upon 10. So denominator में 10 की जगह हमें चाहिए 100. Let us multiply and divide this by 100. So here we are cancelling out this 0. 7 into 10 is 70 upon denominator 100. That means this is 70%. So is that simple? Next one 546 upon 600. अभी denominator पे number बड़ा है. Don't worry, we follow the same process. 546 upon 600 equals to 546 अपॉन 600. इसको भी मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर देंगे 100 से बिकॉज हमें डिनोमिनेटर में चाहिए 100. सो लेट्स कैंसिल आउट दिस 2 zeros and divide 6 to this one. So 6 1s are 6, 6 9s are 54 and 6 1s are 6. So डिनोमिनेटर में क्या बचा है? It is only 91 and न्यूमरेटर में डिनोमिनेटर में बचा है 100. So this is 91%. So therefore 546 upon 600. अगर इसको ठीक से देखें, दिस इज जस्ट लाइक योर मार्क्स इन योर क्लास. 6 सब्जेक्ट में से 100 के each सब्जेक्ट, और यू गॉट 546 आउट ऑफ 600. तो परसेंटेज कितने बने? 91%. नेक्स्ट वन 7 अपॉन 16 इक्वल्स टू, अभी 7 अपॉन 16 का भी कन्वर्जन करना है परसेंटेज में. लेट अस मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड दिस बोथ बाय 100. So let us start dividing. So here 4 the 16, 4 25 the 100. इतना तो बन गया. अभी आगे का डिवीजन कैंसलेबल नहीं है, परफेक्ट मल्टीपल्स नहीं है. So definitely we are going to get something in decimal form. Let us divide this one. 4 1s are 4. Here 4 1s are 4. 3 carry. Let us take 1 5. 4 7s are 28. So 2 carry फिर से, and 4 5s are 20. 1.75. So here 1.75 into न्यूमरेटर में 25 और डिनोमिनेटर खाली बचा है 100. दिस आर वी वांट ओनली 100. डिनोमिनेटर में खाली 100 बचना चाहिए. रिमेनिंग ऑल डिवीजन में कैंसिलेशन में निकल जाना चाहिए. सो लेट अस मल्टीप्लाई दिस 43. So 25 and 25 is 25. But carry it will be, so 25 over 25 is 7. Next one 25 on the 25, remaining 8 is 43. So 25, so it will be 43.75 upon 100. That means 43.75%. So 7 upon 16 is same as 43.75%. Next question number 6, 7. These are word problems. Let us see. The ratio of present ages of the Ava and her mother is 2:5. At the time of Ava's birth, her mother's age was 27. Find the ages of both of them. Okay. So first of all, let us, what is given that the ratio of the present ages of Ava is 2:5. Let us take some common multiple. Let x be the common multiple of both ages. Okay, so therefore their present ages will be, so present age of Abha will be 2x and present age of her mother will be 5, that is 5x. Now we have given condition at the time of Abha's birth, that means at the time of Abha's birth her age was 0. Let us subtract this from this one and you will get 27. So by given condition you have 5x minus 2x equals to 27. So 5x minus 2x is 3x equals to 27. Therefore we get x equals to 27 by 3. That means x equals to 3 9s are 27. So value of x is 9. And let us take now their present ages. Therefore present age of Abha equals to 2x, that is 2 into 9 equals to 18 years, and present age of her mother, which is we have taken as 5x, so it will be 5 into 9, that is 45 years. That's it for the solution. Let us move toward the next example. Example number 7. The present ages of Vatsala and Sara are 14 years and 10 years respectively. After how many years will the ratio of their ages become 5:4? So first of all we have given the present ages. Let us take present age of Vatsala. It's given as 14 years. So let us take it as 14 years. And present age of Sara equals to, it is given as 10 years. So let us take it as 10 years. Now after how many years? Let us take how many years at x years. So after x years, what will be their ages? The years will get added to their present ages. So that means इस present ages में उनके x years add हो जाएंगे. So present age of Vatsala after x years, it will be 14 or plus x. Okay, 14 plus x. Yes, and similarly age of Sara after x years will be 10 and plus x, that is 10 plus x years. Now by given condition इन दोनों का जो x years के बाद का age का ratio, that will be 14, 5:4. So by given condition, that is 14 plus x as to 10 plus x. It is mentioned as 5 as to 4. Let us convert this into the rational form. Therefore, 14 plus x upon 10 plus x equals to 5 by 4. Taking the cross multiplication and finding value of x, so we'll get 4 into 14 plus x equals to 5 into 50 plus x. So therefore 14 4s are 56 plus 4x equals to 5 times are 50 plus 5x. So therefore let us take this one now, 4x shifting there and shifting here. So 56 minus 50 equals to 5x minus 4x. So therefore you get 5x minus 4x is x and 56 minus 50 is only 6. So we got value of x as 6. That means after 6 years the ratio of their ages will be 14, so 5 as to 4. So therefore after 6 years the ratio of their ages will be 5 as to 4. That's it for the solution. Last example of this practice set 4.1. The ratio of the present ages of Rihanna and her mother is 2 as to 7. After 2 years, the ratio of their ages will be 1 as to 3. What is Rihanna's present age? It is very similar to previous two examples. Let us see. So first of what is given? The present ages are given in the ratio 2 as to 7. So therefore, given that present ages of Rihanna and her mother is in the ratio 2 as to 7. Let us take common multiple x. Let x be the common multiple of the given ratio. So therefore we get their present ages as, so present age of Rihanna equals to 2x and her mother present age of her mother was given 7, that is 7x. Now what is happening after 2 years? After 2 years the ratio changes to 1 as to 3. So let us change their present ages to ages after 2 years. So after 2 years, age of Rihanna will be, present age is 2x. After 2 years it will be plus 2. So 2x and plus 2. And age of her mother after 2 years, it is 7x, so 7x plus 2. Now we have the given condition, it becomes ratio 1 as to 3. So therefore by given condition, so these two ages are in the ratio 1 as to 3. So therefore let us take 2x plus 2 as to 7x plus 2 equals to 1 as to 3. So this was the given condition. So out of this condition we will find the value of x first and we'll get the Rihanna's present age by putting the value here in 2x. Okay, so therefore let us convert this into rational form. 2x plus 2 upon 7x plus 2 equals to 1 by 3. Let us do cross multiplication. So 3 into 2x plus 2 equals to 1 into 7x plus 2. So it will give you 3 to the 6x plus 6 equals to 7x plus 2. Shifting the variables and constant to one side, you will get 6 and this 2 will come here to minus 2. Here 7x and 6x will go here to become minus 6x. So 6 minus 2 is 4 and 7x minus 6x is only x. So therefore x equals to 4 and we have to find only the Rihanna's present age. So therefore Rihanna's present age, we have taken it as 2x, so it will be 2x, that means 2 into 4, that is 8 years. That's it for the solution. In our next video we are going to see some further topics related to the ratio and its equalities. Till then, take care, bye bye, keep practicing.